without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses. Tornado emergency for Reddington, Raritan, Somerville and Manville. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for central Somerset County until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Reddington, or 6 miles west of Raritan, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Reddington, Raritan, Somerville and Manville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. This tornado has been reported completely demolishing buildings in Reddington Township. The tornado may be over a mile wide as it heads directly for the city of Raritan and surrounding areas. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you were outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.